Hello, my friends. Lorrie here on Vancouver Island, and it's Christmas Eve. We have a winter wonderland outside. Apparently, we're going to have a white Christmas, and I hope that you are with your family and your loved ones and spending some time with them during this season. And if you're not, if you're alone, remember that God is always with you and he loves you more than anybody or anything ever could. So you're never really alone. If you have questions about that and how you can get closer to God, just let me know. I've been close to God for a long time, about 20 years or so. And I'm a lot older than that. But anyway, my journey with God has been amazing, and as I look back at the things and the gifts that He has put in my life and the way that He has loved me, I know that that love is there for you too. And if you want to know how to get in on that, let me know. And anyway, let's keep going. So I'm here today because I got a package. You can see I've already opened it. This is from Rebecca. Rebecca Made with Yarn. Is that what it is? Rebecca Touched by Yarn. And I won this beautiful hat that she handmade herself. I won this at one of Garden State Gardener's giveaways. Rebecca was up on the panel and she was giving away some homemade knitting patterns and some homemade knitted stuff. I think this is knitted. It might be crochet. I don't know the difference. I know it's made of yarn, but it's absolutely beautiful. I love the tri-colors in it. It's teals and purples and greens and blues, and it's all of my favorite colors all together. So I'm super excited. It's going to be toasty warm. I might even go out and do a walk around the park if it's not pouring down rain tonight, and show you guys some of the Christmas decorations around here because they've really outdone themselves this year at our mobile home park, and it just looks fantastic. But I wanted to take a minute to just pop on here and say thanks, Rebecca, for the amazing hat. I'm going to leave her link down below in the description, and I'll also leave Joe's Garden State Gardener link. Joe has fabulous giveaways every Sunday, and so if you're not subscribed to his channel, you need to get in on that. All you need to do is go in and watch his live, and he gives away all kinds of stuff, seeds, gifts, food, just like all kinds of stuff that he gives away. Hats, obviously, hats, all kinds of stuff. He's got a fabulous channel, and he's really supportive of other channels. And Rebecca, I just met Rebecca in the just over the holiday season. I've just met Rebecca, but she also is a wealth of information about anything yarn related. She has fabulous skills. She's got some great patterns if you like to knit and crochet. All that stuff is there on her channel. So I recommend that you go out and check out both of those channels if you haven't already. I don't know that I have anything else to share with you today. I mean, we don't have a lot going on. It's just the three of us, me and Dave and Mima. Um, we don't really exchange gifts. We have a hard time buying gifts for each other, like especially Dave, because he just goes out and buys what he wants. And so around Christmas time, when he buys stuff that he wants, I just slap a bow on it before he opens it and say, "Merry Christmas, honey. This is what you got this year." So that's kind of what we do. We do the kiddies always buy Mima a gift, and so we do a little bit of a gift opening Christmas morning, but you know not near as much excitement as it might be had if we had little ones around, but we don't, and we don't plan on it. And quite frankly, I like sleeping in until 10 o'clock Christmas morning and not being disturbed at 5 in the morning by excited people running around. Anyway, neither here nor there. I hope that you have a fantastic Christmas season, and I hope that God blesses your family with joy and comfort and love in the coming year. So take very good care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye now.